Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about Var Arg Method. This has been introduced in Java 1.5 and what is the purpose of it and when we will use it. Okay, we will discuss about it. So, firstly, let's say I need one method that has to perform the addition of two numbers. Okay, just a method I need which has to perform the addition of two numbers. So what I can do, I will declare a method. Let's say sum. Okay, I need this method to perform the addition of two numbers, and let's say sum of these two numbers. It has to be written. It has to return the sum of two numbers. Let's say yeah, and we need to define the return type of the method. Okay, so I have defined a method which will perform addition of two numbers. So what I will do, I will call this method with the two numbers. Okay, let me run this program. See, I am passing the parameters 1 and 2 for the method sum. So inside this method, it is performing the addition of these two numbers and returning back. So I am getting 3. Suppose I need to perform addition of three numbers. Then what I need to do? I need to define another method. It has to accept the three parameters. That means overloading. But functionality is same, right? So addition of all three numbers. So what I am doing, this time I will pass the three parameters. So I am calling that method which having the three parameters. So I need to perform the addition of three numbers. So let me run this program. See, first call, it is invoking the method with the two parameters, and the second one invoking the method with three parameters. Suppose I want to perform addition of four numbers. So again I need to define new method. I mean overriding the existing method. This time let's say some let's say some I. Okay, so I need to perform the addition of all these numbers and return back. Let me run this program. See, first call we are passing two parameters, so it will invoke the method which having the two parameters. So and we could see the output 3. And next call it will invoke the method which having three parameters. Next call is invoking the method which have the four parameters. So here code is increasing, right? Basically the functionality is same. The functionality, I mean requirement is same, but number of parameters is different for each request, for each call. So for that purpose, defining or overriding the existing method and increasing the parameter for each function, each purpose, right? For two numbers some we have the method with two parameters. For three numbers addition having the method with three parameters. And four numbers addition, we need a method with four parameters. So in this way, it will be increasing the number of lines in the code, and it reduce the readability. So what we can do, I mean, for this purpose Java has introduced a Var Arg method in 1.5 version onwards. So we have this feature. So instead of this, what we can do, we can use the Var Arg method in this format. So what will happen, right? So instead of one parameter, I mean, instead of having one method with one parameter, or a method with two parameters, or a method with three parameters, or a method with four parameters, directly we can use this syntax. So this will accept zero arguments, one parameter or two parameters, or any number of parameters. Okay, so this will be single dimensional array. So we know how to traverse the single dimensional array. So what I will do, firstly I will declare the variable with 0 value, integer sum. Okay, I need to perform the sum of the integers, right? So for each element in this parameters, right, it is a single dimensional array. I will take that, I will add it to the sum variable. Already it is initialized with 0. Now after this execution, right, for loop, what will happen, it will take the each element from these parameters, and it will add it to the sum. Initial value 0, right? So first number it will take and it will add it to the sum. Then next element, add it to the sum. Then next element, add it to the sum. So how many parameters we will pass it? This loop will execute and it will perform the addition. Now